Okay, so suppose that m varies directly as n. M equals 4 when n equals 6. Find m when n equals 12 or 7. So, first, m varies directly as n, so the general formula for that is m equals kn, diba? So let's solve for k. So m equals 4 when when n equals 6, k times 6. So 4 equals 6k. So for k, divide by the coefficient of k. So 6 over 6 is 1 times k is k. See, 4 over 6 pwede pang ma-reduce. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So they're both divisible by 2. So pwede rin reduce sa lowest term. So yun ang lowest term. So k equals 2/3. So magiging ang equation of variation plus m equals 2/3 n. So that's the That's the equation of variation. So find m when n equals 12 over 7. So substitutes 2/3 times 12 over 7. Okay. So, simplify lang natin. Tingnan mo, si 12 at saka si 3, both divisible by 3. Right? So, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Tapos, 3 divided by 3 is 1. In short, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Yan. Yan ang nangyayari dyan. So, numerator times numerator, 2 times 4, 8. Then, 1 na to. So, 1 times 7 is 7. So, m equals 8 over 7. So, that's the first way of solving that. There's another way, using proportion. Okay, another way is to use ratio and proportion. So, ang ratio ni m at saka n constant. So, 4 over 6. So, yung m sa numerator, yung n sa denominator, equals, we don't know, so just write m, because we don't know. Find m. Tapos, the denominator is 12 over 7. Next, we cross multiply. So, 4 times 12 over 7 equals 6m. 6 times m, 6m. Again, pag multiply nito, just remember na yung denominator ni 4 is 1. So, 4 times 12 is 48. 48 over 7 equals 6m. 6m yan. So, dapat m lang, di ba? Ang ipangita. So, here's the thing. Paglagay tayo divide natin ng 6. 6 divide by 6. I'll use another divide ko ng 6 to, divide ko din ng 6 tong pikas. And by doing that, magdungagan og 6 yung denominator. So, 6 times 7. So, by dividing by 6 is actually like putting 6 in the denominator. So, nangyari, if we divide by 6, you also, magbutang tag 6 dira, magbutang pa tag 6 dira. Minana ang may tabo. So, this is equal to m. 48. 48 divided by 6 is 8, diba? So, 8. So, na lang natira yung 7. So, 8 over 7. So, that's another way of solving it. There's also another way, actually. Meron pa isa. Shortcut talaga. Pinaka-shortcut sa lahat ng shortcut. Okay. Notice, di ba, meron tayong dalawang values ng n. Meron kang n equals 6 at saka n equals 12 over 7. Ano yung i-multiply mo sa 6? Ano yung i-multiply mo sa 6? Meron kang i-multiply dyan. Para makakuha ka ng 12 over 7. Meron, di ba? Ano yung i-multiply mo sa 6 para makakuha ka ng 12 over 7? Sa numerator, mag-multiply ka ng 2. Sa denominator, mag-multiply ka ng 2. Bakit 2? Para makakuha ka ng 12, di ba? Sa denominator, mag-multiply ka ng 7. Bakit? Kasi yung denominator niyo 1. So, para makakuha ka ng 7. So, ito yung i-multiply mo sa 6. 2 over 7 dito sa 6 para makuha mo yung 12 over 7. Now, yan din ang i-multiply mo sa 4 para makuha mo kung ano ba itong m. So, i-multiply din natin sa 4. 4 times 2 over 7 equals, again, numerator times numerator, 8. Denominator times denominator, 7. So, pareha pa rin yung answer. So, ito lang ang pinaka-shortcut sa lahat.